Okay, guys, I hope y'all can hear me a little bit better. I have got the mic on, and I am going to walk you in here and show you the chicks. Yeah, we did put a piece of metal up here for right now to keep them from going outside, which I'm going to have to fix that. But the big white one down there is a turkey, and I'm going to bring you over here and show you the chicks. There's the baby chicks, and there's another turkey. Can you hear Apollo? He's being a whiny tail. So there's the chicks and the turkeys. There's turkey number 2. I think that one right there. It's in right there. That one is Thanksgiving. That one right there is Christmas. And then all of those little brown ones are called Easter eggers. There's a couple of blue sapphires in there. And I just have to wait until they get bigger with the other ones to see. Oh my goodness, ain't you all so cute? Y'all need to hurry up and grow up and get me some eggs, cause let me tell you, I paid $14.96 for 36 eggs. I don't know what this world's coming to. Well, there he is. What are you doing? Are you coming after me? Are y'all coming out? Come on. No, don't be pecking my shoe now. Them ain't worms, them are shoestrings. No, sir. Back up. But yeah, they're getting used to their new little home. Hey, who do you think you are? Donald Duck? Oh, you're not a duck. But anyway, I thought I'd bring you out and show you. They do have a nice little spot. They're getting along great. Um, we're just trying to finish up. Our lights don't work. I don't know what happened to them, but we got to get new string lights and break in. Oh, my nose is running, guys. I'm telling you. I'm allergic to everything, I guess. But anyway, I'm going to walk you around to the greenhouse, and I'll pick you up in just a second. Okay, guys, it is a little windy today, but we do have part of the plastic on for the greenhouse. There's the other part of the plastic. Everybody had to take breaks. There is some spots that did get some tears where it's been rubbing back and forth, but see, like right there, that's okay. That's okay because we can put some clear outdoor tape on it. I don't know if y'all have seen it or not, but it's pretty cool stuff. It's a little noisy, but I got to take that chicken wire down here in a minute. It's not too hot and stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that clipped off. I wanted to get it off before they climbed up there and done it, but I slept in this morning and I was a little late. I was late for the game, y'all. So over here, as you can see, is the logs that's been burning. Uh, they've been here since the last little bit of the flood, and I'm just leaving them there. I'm not really worried about it. I'm just going to burn them in spot, and then whatever's left, the ash and stuff, will go in the ground, and just put nutrients in the grass, I guess, like I really need anything else in my yard. But hey, it is what it is. There is the ghetto lot. We still ain't got it fixed yet. We we had to take some of the money we had saved up to do the chicken lot to buy parts for our lawnmower. Of course, if you all wasn't around last summer, my son was mowing the yard and the coil broke loose and smashed into the engine. So, yeah, we got to get that fixed. But all in all, guys, everything's been going good. I'm going to insert some pictures to show you what we are now dealing with. We had a neighbor downstream from us decide that he was going to log out some of his, trees and the logging company absolutely left a disaster mess in the creek bed. So I took pictures of them and I sent it to the guy that I've been dealing with in Richmond, at the water equality department or whatever you want to call it. And I asked him, I said, who do we contact about this mess? Guys, if we were to get heavy rain with all the trees that they had left in that creek, the water is going to back up and it's going to flood us again. And that is just a mess. I'm already dealing with this. I mean, it's just such a aggravating situation. This little shed here, our lawnmower shed, this thing was built in 1998. It's been here for almost, what, 30 years, 20 years? What is this? Oh God, 2025. Yeah, whatever. I can't calculate right now. I'm so discouraged and aggravated. But the Bradford pears are blooming. My willow tree's blooming. My red maple is blooming. Let's see what else. Oh, the flowers have come up. They're about ready to bloom. I've been thinking about getting me another hive of bees or two to see if I can't get them back working. If the guy across the road over there, over that way, don't spray that field again with I don't know what he sprayed it with, weed killer or whatever, but it killed our 3 hives that we did have, killed them out. And we will be planting flowers around the fire pit again. But getting back to the disaster of the logger, I will insert pictures and show you what we're dealing with that. Then we had to deal with somebody setting off 2 little kittens at our house, which are precious. I wasn't looking forward to having any more cats in the house. Simon, Blossom, and Luna were enough. But here come these 2 little precious demon children. No, they're sweet babies. They really are. It's just the other ones are not really used to them yet. Blossom is. Blossom's warming up to them, but Simon and Luna, sometimes it sounds like there's demons in my house because of them growling, and them deep gruntle growls are just crazy. I never knew a cat could growl like that, y'all. But anyway, what else? So I will insert some pictures of the 2 little sweet babies. And the update on my brother, I know my microphone must have cut out when I was talking about him. He is on hospice. It's hard, guys. It's hard for me to talk about him because me and him have always been close. He is older than I am, but I still call him my baby bro. And the reason why I call him my baby bro is because he's the baby brother. And, I know he's tired. He's fought a long battle, a long, hard road. He really has. And it's just, I'm really not for sure, how much longer we have with him because, the hospice nurses are in. It could take anywhere between 6 months to a year, depending on how his body shuts down. So I'm just enjoying every day that I have with him. Every moment I get to talk to him, every text message, every phone call, every Facebook Messenger picture that I get. I'm going to cherish those memories. And I'm going to print them off. And I'm just going to enjoy what time I have with him. But anyway, getting back, we have got a mess back here that we have got to get cleaned up again. As you can see, there is another trailer here, so that means I can load it down with junk to be hauled off, which is going to be loaded down and hauled off because I'm done with it. The swimming pool, Maddie has already told us that we needed to get it ready for him because it's almost warm enough for him to swim in, as he said this morning. Nanny, when we gonna get the pool ready? And I'm like, boy, we still got a couple of months yet. So Maverick did start ball practice. It's been such a joy. Uh, he's such a good kid, guys. I swear, and he's smart. He is so smart and a good athlete. He loves baseball. I got a dead apple tree right here I got to cut down. We got to get that cut down, and we got to get this trash picked back up. And it's absolutely just, if y'all seen my other video of me and Michael out here cleaning our butts, working our butts off, trying to get this cleaned up and looking good now, you'd understand what discouragement is in my voice. I'm so discouraged over it. But yeah, the chickens has got a lot. There's bird netting on it. I have one pole that I do have to fix. It is leaning bad. So I think we're going to try to raise that up and dig the hole a little bit deeper. I did not put concrete in the ground. I do not want concrete in the ground. I want it to be all natural as I can with the chickens. I don't want all this boost up crap that they put in the food nowadays. You know what I'm saying? I just want my chickens and my turkeys to be all natural, and I want them to have a good space. The garden has not been tilled yet. That is coming soon. The garden will be tilled out that way a little bit more. And then I'll get my plants out here in the greenhouse. And guys, I really appreciate you all so much. And I will talk to you guys later. And remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.